This customer mailed in an iPad that needs a screen repair, and check this out.
Oh, no way. He included a cookie.
I thought that was a little funny to include because that was my genuine reaction, but the cookie was amazing, so thank you for that, by the way. Everybody go look at his company. His cookies are really good. I definitely recommend them. Who knows, maybe this video will blow up and he'll get like 1 million orders. That'd be awesome. And since that absolutely made my day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss on a free screen protector for you when I go to ship back this device. All repairs are completed same day and shipped back same day we receive them. Like and follow for more.